So after arriving back from Marinduque, it was a bit rainy actually heading back to Morong. But the rest of that Friday, we just pretty much settled back at our home accommodation and we rearranged all of our luggages after all that driving that we did for the past week. Because during all that travel, I actually didn't bring my check-in luggage. We just left it at the house since it was too bulky. So instead, I just packed a duffel bag so that it was easier to get around, kind of like a backpacking trip. Anyway, we spent the following day just hitting up places like Starbucks, looking for gifts and the merchandise that we don't have back here, back home. And then we went to a couple SMs, which is like a super mall, looking for more pasalubong and souvenirs, and just checking out how cheap things are compared to how it is here in the US. It was kind of crazy just seeing how the prices there were super cheap. Alright, so first time we're inside SM and we're just like looking around at the stuff here. I don't know, there's a lot of stuff that like looks like it's from Daiso, but a lot of stuff also kind of like unique brands that you only see like here in the Philippines. All I'm really looking for is like some baby stuff, like tanks and stuff, like tanks or I don't know, shorts and stuff like that. Everybody else is like around. I'm just kind of like doing my thing, looking around for like other people's stuff. So yeah. You got some Disney stuff, some like kids Disney stuff. Oh yeah. I don't know. We'll see what we got. I'll look around. Find something for Tobias. I could say it on the vlog now because I think by the time I edit this vlog, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be past the baby shower already and past the gender reveal. So everyone's gonna know about Tobias. So yeah, I'll update you guys on like if I see something. So if you guys see the windows, they're like fogging up because of the AC inside the mall. And then once you get outside, it's like super cold. Hello! But it's like cold air coming from inside and then it's warm outside. It's humid out here. We went down the street to SM Marikina instead of the SM at I forgot the other one. But I'm gonna go to Starbucks real quick. I'm gonna see what they got and then see if they have any other stuff that we don't have back home. So we'll check it out. So the stores and stuff inside SM Marikina was pretty much the same stuff at the other SM, the SM Masinag that we were just at. It did seem bigger since there was like a few more floors, but for some odd reason they didn't have any like Philippines tank tops. So after I did my rounds around the mall buying like Tobias clothes and like the baby departments of certain stores, I got a good amount of stuff for him, but literally only like one tank top for me. We finished the night just having some boba, and this boba spot right here was like super cheap, by the way. It's like $20 for all of us and we all got a drink for like 12 drinks. And so it was pretty crazy. So we called it a night, and then we needed to like repack all this stuff before our flight the next day. Alright, so it's a Sunday morning now, and we're all packed up. Had trouble getting all the pasalubongs from yesterday into the luggage, but we're running just like a few last minute errands that we had to do before we head to the airport. One was that we had to head back up to Quezon City
as you guys can see here on the map, because we had to pick up some pasalubong from the fam. But then after that, we went to Mall of Asia, a quick stop at Mall of Asia, which was pretty much nearby the airport as well.
Alright guys, so we're at Mall of Asia here in like near the airport already, and pretty much like I've gone around like certain stores, and like the only stores that had tank tops was like a spot called Tribal, and it had only like one tank top. And then I went to like other stores and they don't really have tank tops that are like that says Philippine on it. It's kind of weird. Somebody directed me to go to Under Armour, but I'm really doubting like what they have in there. I feel like it's kind of weird, like in a super hot country they don't sell tank tops like that are like eye-catching. They have like the plain ones like this, but it's like just plain colors. They're not like super like flashy or like there's like designs or anything. So I don't know. All right, so I don't know what happened to the video, but it kind of stopped like mid-recording. But yeah, like I said, there's nothing much here. So anyway, I'll catch you guys when we're at the airport, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna eat lunch with the rest of everyone after I find them, depending on where they're at in this giant mall. So we'll see where everyone's at. All right, so I had to take a coffee break and like basically just like get some caffeine in me while walking around this giant place. I was laughing because when I got coffee and I walked down the stairs, I saw this spot called T2. It's kind of like T4, but T2. Anyway, I'm gonna walk around. I'm gonna go look for everybody because I think they're eating already. So I'm gonna go walk around. Alright, so we're heading out from Mall of Asia now, and another spot that I saw here, guys. Look, 19 degrees. What do we have back home? 85 degrees. So I want to know, go research it, what the conversion for 85 degrees Fahrenheit is in Celsius. I gotta go repack all the stuff into the luggage, and then I'll catch back with you guys later. Alright guys, so we're here now at Naya International Airport, MNL, over here in Manila. Kuya Jared just dropped us off, and we're heading to go check in and drop off the bags and head back home. So it's been a solid trip. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and hope you guys enjoyed the all the adventures that we had over here. It's gonna be a good edit for sure. And got a little bit more rooted from upon landing and now upon leaving. Enjoy the footage of the 12-13 hour flight back home, and so we'll catch you guys back in California. Peace.
There she is! Hi, Marvin!
Hey, Bobby.
Hi! Where'd you park?
Over there, on that side.
Hmm?
On that side.
Okay, let's go park. Marvin's here!
Alright guys, so just got back. We're gonna go to where Mama Bear parked. Oh, they got cameras. That's how you know we were coming out. Bro, they got cameras.
I was trying to get you here. But then I saw you walking around in the corner.
Oh.
I was like, never mind.
Oh.
Just run.
Okay.
Marvin's here!
I'm here.
I got you stuff.
I could see.
Look, SM. Look, SM.
Wow.
SM.